HTML5 is the latest version of HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the code used to create web pages. HTML5 is a powerful language. You can use it to structure content and add features to your web pages. HTML5 is easy to learn. You can use any text editor to write HTML5 code. There are many online resources available to help you get started. HTML5 is an important skill for anyone who wants to work in web development. It is also a valuable skill for anyone who wants to create their own website or blog. When you visit a website, your web browser receives HTML code from a server. The browser then reads the code and displays the web page on your screen. HTML uses special words called tags to tell the browser how to display the content. HTML tags are enclosed in angle brackets. For example, the tag tells the browser to display the enclosed text as a heading. The tag tells the browser to display the enclosed text as a paragraph. HTML5 is backwards compatible with older versions of HTML. This means that web pages created with HTML5 will still work in older browsers. However, older browsers may not support all of the new features in HTML5. HTML5 is important because it is the latest version of HTML. It is the standard for creating web pages. Most web browsers support HTML5. This means that web pages created with HTML5 will work in most browsers. HTML5 is also important because it introduces many new features. These features make it easier to create interactive and engaging web pages. For example, HTML5 includes new tags for adding video and audio to web pages. HTML5 is an important skill for web developers. If you want to create modern and engaging web pages, you need to learn HTML5. Here is an example of a simple HTML5 web page. HTML. This web page contains the basic structure of an HTML5 document. The declaration tells the browser that this is an HTML5 document. The tag is the root element of the web page. Section 5. Basic HTML5 tags. The element contains information about the web page, such as the title. The element contains the content of the web page. The tag defines a level 1 heading. The tag defines a paragraph. Other commonly used HTML5 tags include the tag for creating links, the tag for inserting images, and the and tags for creating lists. Each tag may also have attributes that provide additional information about the element. For example, the tag uses the src attribute to specify the URL of the image to be displayed. Section 6. The head of the document. The element provides information about the HTML document. This information is not displayed on the web page itself. One important tag within is the tag. The tag defines the title of the web page. The title is displayed in the browser's title bar or tab. Other tags that can be included in the element include tags for providing metadata about the page and tags for linking to external resources like style sheets. While the content of the element is not directly visible on the web page, it plays a crucial role in how the page is interpreted by browsers and search engines. Section 7. The body of the document. The element contains everything that is displayed on the web page. This includes text, images, videos, links, and more. All the content within the tags is what users see when they visit your web page. You'll use various HTML tags within the to structure and format your content. For instance, you can use heading tags to create headings of different sizes. Paragraph tags are used to break text into paragraphs. You can further structure your content with lists, tables, and other HTML elements. These is where you bring your web page to life with content and design. Section 8. New features in HTML5. HTML5 introduced many new features to make web development easier and more powerful. These features include new semantic elements like and more. These elements give meaning to the structure of your web page. HTML5 also introduced new form elements, making it simpler to create user input forms. Additionally, HTML5 brought native support for audio and video playback, eliminating the need for plugins like Adobe Flash. These new features make HTML5 a more robust and versatile language for building modern, interactive, and multimedia-rich websites. Section 9. Start building your own websites. Learning HTML5 is the first step towards building your own websites. With its easy-to-understand syntax and readily available resources, anyone can start creating web pages. Begin with the basics, experiment with different tags and elements, and gradually explore the more advanced features of HTML5. There are many free online resources and tutorials available to guide you on your HTML5 journey. Practice regularly, build small projects, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Web development is a rewarding and creative field. Embrace the learning process, and you'll be well on your way